everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, let's talk about the news that was dropped, I think yesterday at the taping of this video. Front Page Tech released some images and some leaks on the Pixel Fold. Now, the images that he leaked look really good, and I know Pixel and Google has been talking about doing a folding phone for a while. They canceled it, they brought it back now, and they canceled it again, so it looks like they bring it back. It looks like this is legitimate, going to happen really soon. I will leave some images in here. Y'all can let me know what y'all think about it. Now, John from Front Page Tech, his sources say that it's happening and it's heavy of a phone, and he's pretty accurate with some of his leaks, or most of his leaks. So we will see how the overall design and the final design of it is. But this could mean big things. I mean, as far as having another manufacturer or OEM in the US with a folding phone would be great for everyone. Now, will this push Apple to do a folding phone too? Because, you know, they don't want to fall behind. But y'all let me know how this looks and sounds. This is from the Pixel 7 at 4K at 30. But the those renders that he posts look really great. Look at that camera setup. The camera back looks great. The only thing is the bezels in the front, I mean, they big, they huge. Yeah, I said it, huge. But, you know, it is what it is. The price, they said it would be $17.99. I mean, that could change. You know, again, this is all leaks and rumors. Usually I don't get into the rumors, but when you look at the pictures and just what he was saying in his video, they look amazing. And I love folding phones. I love my Z Fold 4, my Oppo Find N. This phone looks like it's going to be, you know, the front screen looks a little bit wider than, say, the folding, the Z Fold 4, and the inner display looks like it's going to be a little bit wider too. So who knows? We can't wait. They say it's supposed to be out in May of 2023. You know, if it comes out, I'm gonna have to get my hands on it some kind of way. I will make sure that I get it to the channel, because I was looking at importing some of the other phones, like the Vivo phone I was about to buy too one day. I'm kind of mad I didn't buy it, but it is what it is. I might still pick up another import, because the phones are great. You know, we don't have much specs on it. He didn't talk really about specs in the video or in the news article that he wrote. But the screen looks like it's going to be big. You know, it's going to have the Tensor chip in there. Who knows about battery size or even the display. But this has to make, I mean, I'm excited for it. I'm glad someone else is trying to get into the fold-in phone game, because that is exciting. And folding phones are really good. I mean, man, this is exciting. Y'all let me know what y'all think about the pictures. I don't want to make this video too long. It's just like a car vlog, driving around San Antonio. Now sitting here in the parking lot talking to y'all. I'm just excited about it. Y'all let me know what y'all think about it, because yes, it looks like it is it looks like it's happening. The colors are white and black. They call it chalk and obsidian or something, but it's basically white and black. Will they have additional colors? I don't know. Again, we don't know about, you know, the storage. We don't know much of anything, but the renders look great. Y'all let me know in the comments. Let's get a friendly discussion going. Do y'all think I should pick it up for the channel? Are you going to pick it up? What do you think about it? If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Pixel 7, the 7 Pro, and then even the Pixel Fold, if that's what it's coming out to be. Who knows what they're going to name it either. Maybe it's a Pixel Fold. Maybe they come up with a unique name. But y'all let me know. Until next time, peace. I'm out. Y'all have a great day. And one rev of the engine.